special dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvels standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Good afternoon, good night, good morning for wherever you are in the world. Hello, Mr. Vedang, how are you?
I'm great. How are you guys? I hope everyone's doing good.
Good too. Mentor Yash,
Yeah, doing really great. Excited to see everyone.
fantastic. Mentor Victor,
Hello, everyone.
hello, Mentor, how are you?
Pretty good. Today,
Good.
yeah, we are celebrating the birthday of the mother's birthday. So I am connected with my phone. So apologize because I don't have my camera on.
No problem. Okay, guys, what else? I can take a look. Deb, hello, Deb, how are you?
Nice, sir.
Everything is going well?
Yeah, everything.
That's good to know, Mentor Deb. So, what else? Who else? More mentors here. Not at least I can see now. Rosmarie, hello, Rosmarie from Barcelona.
Hello, everybody.
How are you?
Good. Doing okay with family.
Hello. Odín, hola.
Andreu,
¿Qué tal?
bien.
Okay, hello, Siddharth, how are you? Siddharth,
Hi, I am good.
are you good?
How are you?
That's okay to be good. So, guys, let's gonna start this. But the first thing you have to know is that we need cameras open because this is to see your faces. At this moment, I only see Amit's camera, Yahar's camera, the camera, Vedant, Yash. I'm not seeing Anishka, not Deepen, not Shreya, Tanishk, Sahana, Bloomy, Rahul, Siddhar. So please, hello Anishka, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm great. How are you?
That's good, thank you. Good too. So we need the cameras open because this is an interaction, not just us, it's about you. So we need to see your lovely faces. Please open your cameras. If you are not opening the camera, I will have to drop you from the Meet because this is to see your faces and know you all. Okay. Okay. Rishiken, Rashka. Okay. Who else? Okay, let's start this. So mentors in the Meet, if you have any question and you want to interrupt your mentors, so you can do it. Okay, I'm gonna go for the slides that are ready. Students, contributors, leave all the questions to the end. If you have plenty of questions, please drop this here in the Meet, in the chat of the Meet. But please do not do it now. Do it at the end. And please, also another question, do not use that kind of AI reading systems or resume systems because we do not allow the use of these systems, okay? So let's read together edition. What means that? We are gonna read the Liquid Galaxy EU first post because some of you, and it happens always, do not read too much. So you make fails, you make some little errors, not too serious, but we have to try to avoid those. Okay, so first thing, agenda for next year. This is I'm not gonna invent anything. This is everything is on our website. At this moment, all of you have to be have to know very well this post. At least as I can see, the post 3,000 views has. So this is the agenda. I'm not gonna read the agenda. The only important thing is that on January 19, organizations will apply, and on February 19 is the very first important date, is that when us, Liquid Galaxy project, or are the other projects, open source projects that will present to GSOC for next year will be announced. So remember, nobody is on GSOC, not you, not us, nobody, except the Google managers. So we will have to wait till February 19 to know if we are continuing or maybe we have to stop. So March 16, very important date, is the date that you start to send the proposals to the organizations. We hope you send the proposals to the Liquid Galaxy organization. You are here. What else? 31 of March is the last day and last hour. Remember, Google is very serious with the time and the dates. It's the last day you can present your proposal. Then from there till April 30, we have to deal with the other organizations and with Google. And then on April 30, the contributors that have been selected for this next year will be announced by Google, not by us, because it's Google the only one that knows what are the final students. So again, at this moment, nobody has been selected, not organizations, not contributors, nobody. But most organizations like us will start early to do our tasks or whatever activities we have to do, because if we just follow the calendar, Google Calendar, it will be very tight to select you all. So we start first with the many things you already know we are doing. Let's review. First of things, where to start? I hope you all, at this moment, know very well the post. I'm just reading the post. Have joined the Discord server, have joined the Google Developers Event Platform, and joined the GDG group, that is the group that Liquid Galaxy is based. This is the way you are informed on all the events we do, okay? We always post the post on Discord, but the way is to be informed and subscribe to the Google Developers Event Platform at the JDJ group, just to be informed on whatever we have, trainings, we have meetings, whatever. Browse the documentation. We have tons and tons of documentation. The project has been ongoing since 2008. So we have lots and lots of videos, lots and lots of documents, many things. So it's okay that you ask questions, but remember that at some point, if you ask a lot of questions or repeated questions, we will stop answering you. That's the way it would work. Last year, we have a contributor, Lucia, that developed a project that is for you all, the contributors that are starting new, most of you. And please take a look at this project, because there is a very simple application that you can follow. It's very well explained how it works, and also it's totally well documented, the full platform. So please use Lucia's project. It's linked on the page on the website. And as you know, at this time, you have to install your own virtual Liquid Galaxy and try some applications, just for you to start to be familiar with the platform. And also, of course, this is task 1 that we will review in a minute. We recommend you try with applications from 2025, because we focus on smartphones and not tablets. Most of you don't have tablets, so it's better to go to 2025. And always communicate with us. Email for personal matters, Discord for general inquiries. If there's any question, please to the chat. So I hope also you have seen the videos. At this moment, 5 mentors. Those are almost all our Google Developer experts in different questions, starting from our Velvet mentor Josh, Google Developer expert in web. Is that right, Josh? Web. What's the name?
It's Web Technologies and Maps.
Web Technologies and Maps, exactly. So we have Victor Carreras, We have Alfredo, we have Victor Sanchez, Vedan also was there, and upcoming is Moises and Oscar. So please review those videos, because if we do the videos, it's for you, not for us. We already know everything of this, okay? So remember always, I will repeat it, but you have to be subscribed to the Google Developer Summit platform to receive the link and to stay aware of the dates. Okay. Pre-requirements for next year GSOC. Again, this is a screenshot of the website. You all need to complete the prerequisite tasks to be considered. So, because we need you to know about our platform, to be familiar with our tech stack, and we need to know what are your coding abilities. Also, your soft skills, because we will not only judge your capacity to code, and I'm going to make a joke now. Be careful with the AI. We will have a minute on this later. Read instructions carefully, and if you have any questions, contact us via Gmail account. And if something is worth for the community, please do it on Discord, because this way all the people will be able to answer, and also everyone will get the information. Other contributors will answer you. If there is no solution, a mentor will enter and will answer, and that's it. So you have to create the tasks in the order you want, but for us to approve every task, we need them in order. So you can be not working task 2, task 3, task 4, but till we don't have task 1, we will not review task 2, task 3, task 4. So the 5 tasks already published. That 5, remember 5 is not a real task, it's something that you can do or you cannot at this time. The 4 tasks, let's say, have to be in order. So please do this in order, because if you send us suddenly, as people have done already, send us task 2, we say, till we don't see your task 1, that means that you know the Liquid Galaxy, we cannot evaluate you. So we need you to read this well, because we need a video, the GitHub code link. The very first thing is to create a Google Drive folder with read permissions for everyone, with your name, GSOC 2025, here is an error, it will be 2026, and create a subfolder for every task, okay? One simple thing that it's happening almost every day. We do not allow acceleration of the voice to keep the video on time, okay? At least two students. Just today, send us videos for task 1 with the voice accelerated, and yes, we return the videos, because this is not the way you have to do it in a normal voice. And if you fell too long, make it shorter. That's it. And remember, this driver cannot be deleted till September 2026. If you are not selected or if you are not following, you can delete when you want. But if you are on the community, you have to leave the drive share till the end of GSOC. So always when you send us your first task, send the main GSOC folder with read permissions for anyone. Videos have to be 3 minutes maximum, recorded horizontally, never vertically, please, Full HD. And showing your face, we need to know your face. We are today starting to know your faces. Amit, Raska, Yahendra, Ariane, Umang, Sahana, Blomis, Sailesh, just open the camera again, Harsh, Abhishek, YouTube, maybe there are a few persons more. What else? Name the files in the right way, because if not, we are lost. Your name and surname, family name, GSOC year, and the task, whatever the task is. Do that, please. And if you send us the task, drop a line in Discord saying that you have sent the task. I'm just reading the website. So, Mentor Josh, just for me not to be always talking, could you please talk about the AI from our point of view?
Amazing. Yeah. So we have seen like many of you like use AI, and there is like a right way about it, but there are also like ways where you like do not understand the code, but you have still like used AI. So we will allow you to use the tool. We will allow you to like use it for leak processes and even code development. But you must understand like what the AI is doing. Let's just say that you send some kind of data and it just makes some kind of a visualization onto the Google Earth, but when you are like explaining it, we are not able to catch up like what you are saying because you haven't coded it. You have just used AI. You have just used the past project, maybe copy pasted it or maybe enhance it a bit with using AI. So we would want you to like at all times know what you're coding. Maybe use AI just like a junior developer, like who is trying to help you, and you are like trying to orchestrate things, but do not use it like you do not know anything and you're just wipe coding and dumping onto like more and more code, because that would be like something we would review and we will not approve. So yeah.
So we allow the use of AI, as Mentor Yash said, but please be careful on the use, because if we catch you doing that in a bad way, just you will simply discard it from our program. Okay. Pre-requirements. Task 1, everything is wrote in the post. Task 1, install your own Liquid Galaxy, Virtual Liquid Galaxy. So I have a phrase since the 16 years I've been doing that, is that if you follow, contributors, if you follow the instructions on Sohan's video, latest manual for installation of the Liquid Galaxy, Virtual Liquid Galaxy, it takes you 3 hours. That's it, 3 hours. Just, if you follow instructions. If you don't follow the instructions, it may take 3 weeks. And believe me, I've seen this for years. Why? Because if you just pass some simple order, you say that's not important, and your Liquid Galaxy does not work at the end, is because of you. Follow exactly the instructions. And again, it's a matter of a day, not much, to do task 1. Remember that task 1, I think it has to be sent to us as late January 10, I think. It's always on the GSOC. Task 2, create a little Flutter application. Read the specifications on the post. Task 3, enter contents to the wiki. I believe it's that one. Task 4, any one of you, Mentor Vedant, do you have access to the Liquid Galaxy page? What is, or your Mentor Yash? What is task 4? I remember.
I can like share it. Let me just
Page. Let me just see.
Don't share the page. Just name it.
Okay, 1 second.
I mean, task 1 is the, because I'm recording the meet, so I don't want to disturb my screens.
Task 4 is creating entries for wiki.
Okay, and task 3, what was?
Task 3 is creating and delivering technical presentations.
Okay, I almost turned the, so create the presentation, task 3, and create the entries for the Liquid Galaxy wiki, task 4. And I've been saying many times in Discord that some of you are doing very nice collaborations with the rest of your colleagues. That's fantastic. That's the way it has to go. And then if you just notice something that is not already on the wiki, because you have tried to find it, please take note. And then this can be one of your entries to the Liquid Galaxy wiki. And task 5. Again, task 5 is not a must at this time, but it should be, because task 5 is doing the proposal to present to Google. Why is not a must doing this task now? That's what is very simple. We still are not selected, so we don't want to lose your time, not us time. Till Google has not selected the organization, it has no sense to spend time from your side, from our side, doing that. So at this time is optional, and it's because we want you to create a good proposal. If you have time and you have done the previous task, you can start create your proposal. Okay, is it clear? But till we are not sure if we are selected, it's a loss of time to go further. Just something like mimic your future proposal if you have already developed the other. So Anishka, show me a finger. Good. Okay, thank you for the feedback. What else? Contests. Listen to this. We usually do, every year we do a contest. A contest is a little extra requirement, not a must, just for you to show us your expertise on whatever technology. This year still we haven't planned what is going to be the contest. Usually we give some swag, maybe sometimes we give some money, it depends. But the point is that this year I want you all, to present us ideas for the contest. You have access to the last year contest we did. You can take an idea of what we like to do, and then go to the community chat channel in the Discord and send us your ideas. Say, okay, I believe that an AI-based application for doing, I don't know what. It will be great. So, if you have any ideas for contests, drop those in the community chat channel, and possibly we will pick it. What else? Let me talk about little issues are happening. So, I hope the names of the contributors has been deleted, because those are screenshots of your emails. So, as you at this moment have to know, you have to send proof of registering to both Discord. No one of you have done that. I mean, the Liquid Galaxy score, that maybe some of you will ask later, is a very long Google Sheet, plenty of columns, and everything counts. Of course, there are things that counts a bit, there are things that counts a lot. But we need you to be on Discord. We need you to be on the Google Events platforms. We need you, it will be shown later, to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. But this is just for you, not for us. So when you do that kind of things, just take a screenshot and send it always by email, liquidgalaxylab@gmail.com. And this is another cross we have on your score. It counts. So, some of you, I attend the Liquid Galaxy training session, whatever, and I'm attaching the update Google Drive link. So some of you are opening a new folder drive, and you put inside the screenshots. We didn't ask for this. Don't send us this. We don't want it. You just have to send the snapshots by email. You register to whatever, you attend the whatever, you do whatever, take a snapshot, send us. If we catch you that this is false, you have a problem. And believe us, we can do it. Next thing. Another issue, please. Preferably use a Gmail account, and only one account, Gmail account. Of course, if you don't have a Gmail account, nobody in the world has not a Gmail account. You can use whatever from your university or whatever, but don't start and don't do sending us emails from different accounts, just because we have the LG score with one Gmail. If you send email, if you send another one, your communications are going to be lost. That's it, because we have to deal with hundreds of emails. At the moment, it will be thousands and thousands. So please use only one email since the beginning. If it's the one from university, no problem. Gmail, no problem. But only one. At this moment, there are students, contributors sending us emails by one side, by other side, and also it happens, I hope it will appear in the next slides, that some of you, instead of using your real name, are using your Discord or whatever nickname. And this is not good also, because we need to know who you are. I need to know the Harsh meta. Hello, Harsh, how are you? Is that because you are just above me? Hi,
Yes.
how are you? I need to know that he's he. I remember his face. I'm recording this, and I don't want to receive your emails. I'm not asking about you. You are not the one, but I don't want to receive me or the mentors to receive some nickname, crazy nickname from Discord or from whatever other place. Use your real name, always. And only one email. Naming conventions, name and surname. I understand most of you are from India, and in India you use just sometimes your acronym for the family name or whatever, but you need a name and a surname. Two pieces, not only the name. Why? Because at this moment, I'm going to say that, I'm not going to say exactly the names, but from the ones I'm seeing, you are lots of people there and names are repeated. So If Abhishek, the Chaudhary, that is just in front of me, over me, in the meet, there will be others Abhishek. So if you listen Abhishek, we don't know where it goes. So we need Abhishek Chaudhary. Okay? So our name and surname. Thank you. Okay. And what I said before, use always this on your communications. Don't use nicknames, nick handles. No, we deal with persons and not with avatars. More things. So those are answers that we have pre-written, that some of you are receiving. Your video is almost good, but not correct. This is for task 1. You have to redo it again. Do it not following these rules. The rules are clearly explained on the main post. You did the video bad in your personal presentation plan. We only allow horizontally recorded video. Some of you are sending it vertical. No, we don't want this. We only accept video recorded horizontally. The video has to be 3 minutes maximum. And always with your face and the screen behind, because we need to see that it's you who is doing the things and not your brother, your friend, or whatever. That's the way. You pass the maximum 3 minutes time. So the videos cannot be longer than 3 minutes. And also, as I said before, please do not accelerate your voice, because this allows you to have more time, but this is not good because maybe we don't understand you. You have to test your rig with a specific application in phone mode. Use Data Spaces apps from last year contributor Mark. Almost all of you are doing it correctly, but sometimes some of you are sending, I don't know, Liquid Galaxy controller. This is not okay. We need you to test your Liquid Galaxy, virtual Liquid Galaxy with this application specifically. It's clearly marked. And again, if you don't follow things, but after a few retries, maybe we will be your email will be lost in an inbox for some time. So please do it better. Do it nice since the very first time. Okay, this is the speeding thing. This is one. It happens today. It's 88 seconds, but I didn't understand that person. I'm sorry. So video is bad. Improve your LU score. I said this before. Send proof with a screenshot to our Gmail when you have registered to Google Developers Platform for getting the pushes. And remember, this is something you are failing at this moment. Not only Liquid Galaxy events are published there, because we have in the other group we have here is on the Liquid Galaxy GDJ that we do plenty of events. Actually, we are number 1 in the world. Number 1. And there are 1,000. So, send us a screenshot of your registered on Liquid Galaxy Discord, and register it also to the YouTube channel. That Liquid Galaxy has no specific Liquid Galaxy channel. The channel is mine as administrator, because I have always been, since the very beginning of Liquid Galaxy, posting my videos here. And if you go to my channel, you will see hundreds and hundreds of videos related to the Liquid Galaxy. Vale? Okay, 3 things to start. Screenshots of this. Most of you haven't seen this screenshot, and every screenshot is a cross in your Liquid Galaxy score. Another question. There are plenty of you that we don't know. We don't know you. That's okay. Okay, but the first thing you do when you enter to the community is say, hello, I am Rashka. How are you, Rashka? Open your mic.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you. Well, also, where are you based, Rashka?
I'm from India.
Okay. I'm pronouncing well your name, Raksha?
No, sorry to correct you. It's Raksha.
Raksha. Raksha? Maybe I will learn it in the future, hopefully. Thank you, Raksha.
Thank you.
So, it's good to send us an email and say, hello, I'm Raksha. I do that. I know about this. I like to read books. I like to code in Python, and whatever you want. Just say hello to the Liquid Galaxy Lab Gmail and or to the Discord. Both are okay. The problem with Discord, it passes, and sometimes we cannot read all posts. So when you have developed a task, following the rules on the post. Also send emails. This is the way to enter to the Liquid Galaxy score, is sending task 1. If till you don't send task 1, you are not on the score. What means that? I would say that half of the people that is today on this meet is not on the Liquid Galaxy score. Just because you still haven't had time to develop the task 1. That's normal. I'm sure that some of you are still ending your whatever semesters or whatever at the university or whatever. But please introduce yourself, start to send your tasks, and so on. And only screenshots of the RSVP when attending trainings and other meetings, as I said before. So, what's the Liquid Galaxy score? Read. It's free for you today. It's on our website. There is a post, and it's explained, I hope, clearly what the Liquid Galaxy score is. What about sending private message in Discord to the mentors? Bad. Could you please just explain this?
Yeah, so we have been seeing that you guys, like many of you are like using the public channels. That's like really good. We encourage that. Use the community chat, use the question and answers. But some of you are also sending like private messages or DM to mentors. Currently, you do not have a mentor. You do not have any mentor assigned. You are not doing any of the GSOC assigned, like the coding period or any of those work. You have not even submitted the proposal. We are not at those stages. So right now, you cannot DM the mentors. The idea is that we want to have a very lovely community, and please use all the Discord server channels. We encourage to use that. So yeah.
Okay. So let me go to the last one. I think I'm sorry to show the picture of the person. We'll keep it, but I don't remember his name. Marty, maybe. So he's always asking questions that are already explained in our main post. You don't have to go just to Discord and stay there. You have to go to the main post. The only place where we publish everything is on the Liquid Galaxy EU post for GSOC 2026. In Discord, you will not find information easily. We will have, of course, some pinned posts in the channels, but believe me, the only place where we post all the information is in our main post. So always go there, read. You at least at this moment, you all have to have written the full post, and then you will have answers to some of your questions. That's the problem. We can answer you. That's the problem. But the problem is if you start to make always the same question, that's not good. So, questions. I'm just starting to read your whatever things. Let's gonna see if you have questions for us. Please open your cameras. Moatham, you seems to be OBS because you have the OBS logo. Very bad. Rahul, Beth.
I have joined
Anish.
from my different ID. Hello.
Yes. Why are you?
I've joined
two
from
times locked?
different ID, but the PC one has not able to open up the camera. That's why I've joined from the mobile device.
Okay. So I'm just removing you from the call, the other one. I hope. So Beth, Danish is almost the same. I can see your face, so I don't know if you're here or you're just an avatar AI. Now I see you. Why do you have two entries, Tanishk? You're muted. You are still muted. You are still muted. Beth, I can see your face. Rahul, I can see your face. Abhai, Hodanath, Bar, I can see your face. So please open your cameras. Hirikresh, open your cameras or I will have to kick off you from the meet. Because we are here just to know all, and we need your faces on the screen. Beth, Tanishk,
Yes, sir.
I'm traveling and I'm sorry for it. Okay, at least you can do as Victor, open the camera for a second, and we see you are a real person. for a second at least. It's okay. So guys, you can start to make your questions. If there's any question, maybe there is no questions. You have everything clear. This will be so amazing. We will wait a second. I'm addressing the recording. So, Abhishek, Cloud Hari, go.
Sir, I wanted to ask more about task 3. It was said that for presentations, we needed to make at least 3 presentations. And what's the selection process on those? I didn't really understand it.
Okay. If it's not clear explained on the post, you can always send us an email or ask in Discord better for global inquiries. But believe me, this post has been copied 4 years, exactly the same post. So you have to send us an email saying, I'm gonna go that presentation, the title, and then we ask will you do that. Maybe if it's not interesting for us or someone has already did that, we will say don't do this one, and we will leave you to create another one. Or maybe if we already know you, we can tell you, Abhishek, my presentation of I don't know what. Okay?
Okay.
Good question. Next. Moatham.
My question is from task 1. Do we really have to use 16.0? Because I've done around 40 hours on work on task 1 and it's still stuck at the LG launch space. I am trying to do multiple times. I've deleted virtual machines and have done it around 4 to 5 times, but it's still stuck at the LG connection while all of the things work, but the SSH network is not granting me any permission to connect all of the 3 virtual machines.
So the question is exactly?
The question is, do we really have to work with 16.04 Linux version, or we can use 18 or some other else?
Absolutely, you have to work with 16.04. There are many reasons behind, and most of them, I'm sorry you cannot do it, but I'm not going to tell you, but many contributors already have done it, so it's a question of your setup. So it's not a matter of the 16.04. I mean, 16.04 works. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. So keep trying, keep answering, and keep asking to the people, and you have to solve it. Aniru?
Yeah, so first of all, sorry for the disturbance if there is. I'm traveling, and my question is regarding the RSVP thing. Like you just mentioned that we have to send screenshots, right? But how do we have to send individual screenshots of all the GDG platforms having, or only some specific things? Because I have attended classes, some YouTube things, but I have not taken screenshots.
So we need you to send us screenshots of the presentation. That's the way we do that. And again, if we'll catch you just sending us screenshots without sending the presentation, because at some moment we can say, this was explained on this presentation, you didn't earn it. We understand you're cheating us, and this is bad. And this is for all of you, not for you, Aniru. You have another question?
Sure. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Hrishikesh. I'm sorry for pronouncing bad your name, but I will try to improve. Go. Hrishikesh. Are you?
Hello.
Make a question?
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, it's Rishikesh, sir.
You ask a question?
No, sir. I joined just now because my laptop webcam was not working, sir.
Okay, no problem. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, we are here to answer your questions. How are you, Saumya? Beautiful.
I'm good. How are you?
Not bad. Happy to see your faces. Not all the faces. We'll still have 3 faces that are not appearing. 2 now. Harsh, go away.
Hi, so I was reading about task 2. I have gone through LG Wiki, like there are some really good articles there, and I also saw that there are a few GitHub repos that implement the logic. Apart from that, is there any suggestion from your end which could help us understand the like backend working of the controller, especially for task 2?
Okay. Mentor Josh, could you please answer?
When we are talking about the backend working of the task controller, are we talking about something like how do we send those SSH connection, or how does the Liquid Galaxy core system work? So which of the two we are talking about?
About
Yeah.
the application, like connection of the app to the rig, and also sharing of KML files. Like
I
there
think
are
that the answer lies in like how we are making those SSH commands. There is a very great repository called the LG server, which just abstracts out all the various commands that we have. We also have like something like a Swagger documentation that is attached to it. So it just tells about the different kind of, let's just say you want to make an orbit, or you want to make apply to, or you want to send a KML. Then all of those, like how the request goes, what is the sample response, what does it look like, all of those are like properly documented on the LG server repository, and it's under
Okay.
Galaxy Lab GitHub.
Okay, I'll check that out. Thanks.
Next question. Go ahead. Yes, Jasendra.
Sir, my doubt is regarding task 1. In the end, when we connect to the controller app or any other data space visualizer app, I'm entering the right IP address, IPv4 of host only adapter, and it is pinging correctly in the command prompt, but on connecting, it connected and disconnected automatically. So is there any solution for it?
So we will not deal with that kind of problems in this meet. This meeting is just for general questions. But if you have tried a lot, you have making questions in the Discord and you get no solutions, at some point contact us by email. We will try to jump mentor with you. But you have to be the one at the very first beginning that follow the instructions, the manuals, and try to solve this. Vedan, what do you have to say to that kind of problems?
I mean, it's completely subjective. It depends. You need to give more information, provide logs. But the Discord community is exactly for this reason. Every day there are people messaging with their problems, which are being helped. So
yeah, and always it's a matter of the networking thing, and every of us we have a different setup at home or at classes or whatever, and it's very difficult to deal with. But again, as the guy, I don't remember, sorry, your name, that asked about if this can be done with other version of Ubuntu, the answer is no, because most of you are already doing it in 16.04. We know it's an old version, but it works and we still support it. More questions? Shy people. Shailesh, don't have any question?
No, sir, I don't have any question.
That's good. You ask in the chat, Deepen, please, could you please open your mic and say it publicly? I prefer you. I know Mentor just told you, but if you are not shy, please open your mic and go ahead. Deepen, explain. Hello.
Maybe he is shy.
So could you please ask his question, Vedan? Read it. Okay. That's right. That's right. So Josh, open the question. I can do that at this moment.
So the question is, and I'm just going to read it first. Sir, on GDG Live, the website, there is an event schedule on 8 January 2026, but it is written that it is invitation only event. So can we contributors attend it via Discord or YouTube? Would first like have to check if it is invite only, as he is like suggesting here. So
Okay. Let me explain it. As I said, the Google Event Developers Platform is for lots of users, and this meeting specifically is only for mentors, not for all the contributors. So mentors already know that, and mentors are invited. So it was, in any case, our fault to not specify this thing. But again, there are plenty of events that we do. All of those are going to the same platform. So you have to deal which ones are interested for you, which not. For example, some of you have sent snapshots that you attended to some sessions that were in Spanish. It has no sense for you. Well, you don't speak Spanish. So attend whatever you want. Boomi.
Hello, sir. As Yash sir suggested that we can also contribute to LG repo, so I picked one issue about the missing APK thing, and I found some of the APKs were missing on the web store also. So, like, where can I find them? The rest of the missing APKs to include in the code base.
I think I have an answer for that.
What project is specifically this one?
Sorry, sir.
What is the project? Which one?
It was the data repository.
It's the Go Web Store,
Yes.
the missing apps in the Go Web Store. So we allow contributors to help us out, and the very way you can do it is like by checking which of the earlier GSOC that one was made in, and there would be a GitHub URL for that particular application, because all of that is open source. So you can just check that old project, and I believe there was one which was called ARCA. You have a GitHub repository. I think that I can also send it on the LG server here. So I will just send it there. And maybe you can just try to build an application which has the latest and fulfills all the Play Store criteria, and you can just send a PR for that.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
More questions. I know it's late. What time is it here? Anirudh? What time is where you are?
Sir, 12:05.
It's really late. You're in a
Yeah.
bus or in a car?
Yeah, so actually I'm traveling, Louis. I'm in a bus right now.
Okay. Thank you for attending, even traveling. So, guys, more questions. I will wait for a few seconds, and if there is no question, I will say thank you all, but still, I will wait. Everything is good, Rose? Marie? Nice. Go again.
Hello, sir.
Kihesh.
Hello, sir.
It's difficult for me to pronounce. Yes.
For the task 2, we need to send to KMLs, right? From the APK, Android APK. So, can you share some snippets or examples? What kind of KML we need to send?
Anything you want. It can be a polygon. It can be a. For us, the important thing is that you know how to send a KML. It does not matter what KML is. It can be a picture of whatever. A KML handles all kind of information. So you can just make it simple. Send a triangle, red triangle. That's it. No need for more. If you know how to send a triangle, you know how to send a whatever. Is that right, Dan?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I ask you, Dan, is that right? We love
me?
triangles.
Oh, yes. Could be anything. Could be literally anything. You go wild with your creativity.
If we don't specify, so feel
Yeah.
free to do that. More questions. Raska, Sahana, Yashendra, Deb. Hello, Deb.
Hello, sir.
Vishnek, Rahul,
Sir.
Ariane, Shailesh, Beth, Abhai, Mentor Prayak. How are you?
I'm nice.
Are you good? That's good. No, thank you for staying here today with us. Oman, Moazam, Aniru, Tanishk, Saumya with this lovely smile always, Boomi, Harsh, Dipen, Rishikesh, I'm sorry, and Mentor Sitkar, Mentor Rosemary, Amit. So guys,
Hello, sir.
any other question? No? So thank you for coming today. It's been our meet. We will do it that regularly, maybe one every 2 or 3 weeks, when there are questions to specific questions to share with you. And please always read the post. Everything is in the post. Stay in the community. And if you celebrate, I think most of you are Indian, so I know, at least I think you celebrate all of the things you can. So you're going to celebrate Christmas too and New Year's Eve. So have a very nice Christmas and good year for everyone, 2026. Take care. Bye-bye.
Happy holidays, everyone. See ya.
Bye.
Screens, living in the grand spatial dream, visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate, together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid Galaxy, we see it.